Okay, lashettes, we are going to try these DIY at home cluster lashes. These are my glueless ones, so you don't need glue to wear these cluster lashes. And we're going to try it first with cleaning our lashes. So I have my saline wash here, a little sponge Q-tip here, and I have a mirror. Like I told you before, if you turn it upside down, it's much easier to apply. So you'll be able to watch me from afar. Let's just clean the lashes first. Let's clean the lashes and see how they are. So we're gonna keep them clean with any extra debris or dirt or little liner I put on. So we're just gonna make sure they're nice and clean. And these lashes are gonna attach by the heat on your skin. Isn't that genius? By the heat on your skin. Genius, right? Okay, let me get another one. Q-tip, just to make sure they're dry. And just glaze over the natural lashes. It's nice to have my lashes starting to grow back now. From my chemo treatments, I lost everything. Nose hairs, eyelashes, everything. Okay, so now that we have clean lashes, we're gonna attempt to put on the DIY cluster lashes. So we have a little tweezer here. This is my D'Lashes thin tweezer here. I'm just gonna pick them up. I don't know if you can see that. We're gonna pick them up by the bottom, like in the middle of the lash, like that, like so. I'm gonna place them in the back of my hand because it's just a little easier. Okay, it's already sticky. Sticky, sticky, sticky. So, watch me from below here. Let's turn this down like this. You can watch me. I'm gonna make sure that it's gonna stick right above the water line inside the eye. It just stuck. Y'all see that? And the water line is the lighter part of your inner eye. It looks kind of bulgy a little bit, but you're gonna just stick it there. Let's try another one. And like I said, it's better to have a little vanity mirror, because if you're looking at it straight on, it's a little harder or a little challenging. But we're going to pick these up gently, place them in our finger, and because I washed them off, there's no extra debris, and we're just gonna sit on the bottom of the lash. The heat from the lash just sticks on there. You can take the other end of the tweezer to reassure that the lashes are sticking onto your lash line. And I'm just doing that right now. Look at that, look how easy. And you can just build your lash as you go. We're gonna build the lash. A buildable DIY lash. I'll keep you updated when these are going to be in, but we are going to have these glueless lashes. That's going to be a game changer for your routine. Look at that. Ooh. Y'all see that? Building it. Look at that. And let's try one more. It looks like it's appearing to be, they're very sticky. Very sticky. So I'm very careful of how I attach the lash. The adhesive comes from the inside. I don't know if you see that, from the inside of the curve of the lash. So we're just gonna build it up and it sticks. Whoa. Okay, so to extra secure it, we're gonna pinch. I hope these don't come off. There it goes. Yeah. I think the best bet to do is, I usually close my eye like this, like a pinch. Okay, we're back. So I have cluster lashes here. I am actually winking my eye to press them inside. I don't want to press too hard from the other end of the tweezers to make sure that they're staying. But you don't want to go beyond the waterline of your eye. So see how they're lined up neatly there? Really pretty. And I love a wisp right in the front. Can y'all see that? It just opens up the eye a little bit. And I have a little de-adhesive eyeliner on too today. I just wear it as an eyeliner today and not for glue purposes. So we're gonna do the other eye. Let's do the other eye. We're gonna gently take it off from the bottom. Just like so. Did y'all see that? Oh, I just took it off from the bottom. And I'll show the other way. I have my mirror here, upside down, and I am going to apply, just like this, apply the lash right beyond the waterline. So right there, y'all see that? I'm gonna press it, let it go, and it just sticks. Voila, it's there. Ooh. And we're just gonna stack. So when I take them off, gently, can y'all see that? Ooh. It sticks a little bit to the tweezer, but you just kind of pinch it with your finger, like I'm doing here. Pull it off. And then we're gonna lift the eye up a little bit. Again, I'm upside down with my mirror. You can see me. Hold on a second, hold on a second, hold on a second. I'm upside down with my mirror so I can see. And lift up and just kind of drag the lash a little bit on, you don't drag it, but it kind of sticks to your hair. And wink and press, it presses in there. I just made up that trick. But it worked. This glue is strong. So last time I wore these, it stayed for like over a week. We're gonna press a little bit, drag it, there it goes. Presses. And I'm hoping they don't come off during my facial. There you go, I just wink and it presses in. Let's do one more to match the other eye. You like how I'm doing these? And then open the eye upside down with the mirror and just kind of drag the lash onto your lateral lash and it just sticks. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Looks like it's coming up from my lash line. DIY glueless lashes, y'all. We have them on. They look cute. And we are ready for my next client. And to reassure that they're stayed on, you can take the opposite end of the tweezer. This is my D'Lashes tweezer. And press a little bit. There you go. Let's get some.